So as you can see guys, when you look up here, you're going to see $900 on my balance right now. So I'm going to show you how to get the $900 or ASAP. All right, it's very easy. Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing it great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to claim your token worth $900 today. All right, so please, before we begin, if you know you are new to this channel, I need you to hit that subscribe button. All right, so I have a lot of people been driving my attention to check on this quantum wallet, which is and I decided to do my research. For my research, since when I start mine, I have never seen any project that has well detailed information like this project. I have never. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to claim your $900 worth token. All right, so let's dive into the video. As you can see here, what you're going to do is the website of quantum, and I'm going to drop the link to in the description of this video for you guys to join. All right, so what you're going to do here, when you look up down here, you are going to see what we have. There is an Android app here that you can get on the store, and there is if you are using an iPhone, you can click this link down here so that you can get it from the App Store. All right, so you can just touch anyone here. If you like, you can get it on Play Store, all right, or you can download it. You can just download locally. All right, so we are going to press download locally here. I'm going to download locally. So when I touch locally here, it is going to take me to where to download it directly. Start downloading quantum wallet. All right, then I'll press download here. All right, so quantum wallet is going to download. All right, it's a very brand new project. This is a very brand new project. I have seen a lot of content creators, top content creator, talking about this. All right, so when you look up here, you're going to see that I have downloaded it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and install it. All right, I'm going to go and install it. So as you can see, when you check your file manager, it is there at the download folder. All right, so I'm going to open it like this. I'm going to touch it. When I touch it, I'm going to go and install it. Then I'll press install. Like this is gonna install. All right, so after installing your quantum wallet, I'm going to show you step by step how to open it, register, and claim your tokens. All right, let's do this. So as you can see, it just finished the installing. Now I'm going to open it. I'll press open down here. It is going to take me to the quantum wallet. As you can see here, we have two options. The first option is to create wallet, and the second one is to import wallet. So for new users, we create, and for all the users, they can import wallet. So what we are going to do now, directly you're just going to create wallet here. I'm going to press create, read and agree. All right, they say please read the privacy agreement, whatever. I'm just going to read and agree. All right, read and agreed. Then I'll touch here like I agreed. Then I'll press create. As you can set pin code, they will ask you to set a pin code. All right, so this pin is going to be used for identity verification. Quantum wallet will not store your password. If lost, it cannot be recovered and the wallet will become unusable. Please keep it safe. All right, okay, keep it safe. All right, no problem. I'm gonna give this password here. All right, so confirm. I just confirm. All right, as you can see, they say what mnemonic press is the master key to your wallet. Check all options to confirm you understand the importance of mnemonic press. All right, quantum wallet will not keep a backup of your mnemonic press. Do not save it as plain text online, including screenshots, text files, or emails to yourself. All right, write down your mnemonic press and store it offline in a safe place. All right, so this is exactly what they are saying. You have to write it. Do not risk it somewhere, writing it somewhere that you might end up losing it. All right, so I'm going to press generate here and press generate mnemonic. After you click on them, then you press generate mnemonic here. When you press generate, it's going to show this. So as you can see, I'm going to copy my everything here. So as you can see, I just copy everything here. I'm going to continue here, and next, when I go to next, they will ask you to write the 11th, which one is the 9th one. Then you check your code here, which one is the 9th one. 9th one is what? Spatial here. Which one is this one? Is the 9th one. And which one will be the 11th one? I'm going to check the 11th one here. So the 11th one is smart. And which one is the last one? Number 5. Smart and glide. Smart, then glide. Smart, then what? Glide here. So as you can see, I am done. All right, I'm going to press next. As you can see, my quantum wallet is ready. All right, as you can see, my quantum wallet is ready. Here is where you can track all the market. BTC is here, Pi is here, Ethereum is here, BNB is here. You can track all the market conditions. All right, if you want to track a market condition, you can easily do it here. When you look down here, you're going to see wallet, P2P, ATS, support, and me, that is you yourself. All right, so guys, let's dive into it. What you are going to do, up here you see your notifications. When you touch it like this, it's gonna open. When you touch it like this, you see about quantum network. Everything is in here. So as you can see, guys, when you look up here, you're going to see $900 on my balance right now. So I'm going to show you how to get the $900 or ASAP. All right, it's very easy. I'm going to drop my referral code on the description of this video. What you are going to do next is you have to go back to my referral code, go and copy that referral code. Then when you come here in this app, then you locate where they write invite up here. When you look up here, you see invite here, then you press invite like this. Sorry guys, so when you copy that referral code I ask you to copy, they are going to give you a space here. Down here you will see a space where you are going to paste it here. All right, I have already done my own, that's why I didn't see the space. But yeah, then you are going to paste the referral code I sent to you. When you paste it there, then you proceed, then you come back here. When you come back here, you are going to see your $900. This $900 is equivalent to what? So as you can see, this is the token SATU token, SATU STAU token, which is 3,000 token. 3,000 is equivalent to $900. Make sure you do it very fast. Oh, make sure you go and do this sharp. All right, make sure you go and do it before they start giving $1 or $2 for that. Make sure you do it now. All right, so this video is very easy, and if you have any question, just go directly to the comment section and ask your questions, and I'm going to drop the link to download this application. And if you know you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I will keep updating you with good informations like this. And I'm going to make more videos about this quantum wallet. All right, more videos are coming next, because I know a lot of people need more explanations. All right, so thank you for watching.